If you're interested in how to make celery juice without investing in a juicer, keep on watching. Good morning, Flourish family. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dolores and welcome to Flourish with Dolores, where I give you tips on how to embrace your journey. And remember that flourishing is about progress and not perfection, honey. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make celery juice and telling you a little bit about some of the benefits that I found. So we need to flourish in our health as well. All right, y'all, I am checking myself out because I'll be real, I got into the celery juice craze because of the gut health benefits. So I'm going to talk about the benefits as I show you and tell you a little bit about what I'm doing to prepare it. So obviously you're going to wash and then cut the celery into bite-sized pieces. You want to do small pieces if you're doing a blender, especially if your blender isn't as powerful. And then I also break it up into chunks. So I'll do like maybe the first handful, I'll blend that, and then continue to add more celery to it. And one little life hack that I learned is that you can clean and wash your celery the night before if you are a super busy person, you don't have time for the morning. Ideally, I really wish that we could just make like a huge batch of celery juice and have it in the fridge all week. But according to the experts and all the articles I read, you should make your celery juice fresh and drink immediately. So I'm going to stick to that. This is another method that I do if I don't feel like being all cutesy and cutting them up into small dices. I'm just like, you know what? Let's rip it up and get in there. So you can tell I'm making a mess. I'm rushing because it's early in the morning and I got to log into work and start my day. So when I'm in a rush, and most days, I just break it up all like this, make it work. I'm using my Ninja bullet to blend all of this. I'll link it below if you're interested in purchasing it. I love it. The only thing I don't like about it is I have to stand there and hold it down for it to blend. So for me, that's annoying, especially when I'm trying to multitask. But I'll also link my magic bullet that I had, which I really liked. It just wasn't as powerful as the Ninja, but I really did like the lock feature of it. So if you're watching and you're just like, girl, so does drinking celery juice work or nah? I would definitely say yes. So I started it because the stressors of work and just everything that's going on in the world was making my stomach go crazy, and I began to get extremely bloated. And so I started drinking celery juice as a way to kind of aid my stomach and my digestion system. And that benefit of it has really worked for me. This is my nut bag. It is magical. Look at all that juice coming out of it. Yes, it is so magical. I'm going to link that below as well. I got it from Amazon. It's completely reusable. You just wash it and clean it out after. And I'm just squeezing like crazy. Y'all, I am rushing, trying to get to work, and I'm squeezing way too crazy to get everything out. So I made about 8 ounces, and there it goes. Looks beautiful. I have to have it cold. I cannot have it warm because it does not taste as good. So throw some ice in it and chug, 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 chug. All right, the moment of truth. Cheers. Yum. Not really, but if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more aspects of how to flourish in your life and join our Flourish family. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.